Yeah, mi gente, y'all already know. I'm back. I told y'all I was gonna get that camera 360. Man, y'all stay tuned. Y'all gonna love these different angles. I'm trying to make sure I'm just on point with y'all, you know? I'm gonna keep up with the commentary because some of y'all say y'all fuck with the commentary, so I'll make sure that's a key part of it. Show the commentary, show my personality. Y'all know. Seatbelt, you know, safety first. So we're gonna test it out. It's gonna be the first video with the 360 camera. So I want to see what it look like. I'm gonna do a little quick 1-2, and then we're gonna go from there. I gotta edit it out and see how it comes out. Let's see. I did a little quick test last night to see how it comes off at nighttime. Nighttime, the video is very crisp. I was surprised. Very surprised. Oh shit, I don't know if I'm gonna do my little 1-2 since police out here. Damn. Yeah, damn. So they out here messing up my vibe. Oh man. So that's not gonna happen. That ain't gonna happen. So I guess with the drive regular. I was gonna slide it, but police is over there, so y'all know. Ain't nobody trying to pull no chase. One thing about it, I'm seeing that it can't really be any heat like that, so that sun baking it is gonna be fucking with it. So hopefully the camera don't just turn off. That's one thing to say. I think after 104, 104 degrees, but shit, it's been hot, so yeah. So I'm gonna see what it look like in the daytime, what the sound is like, see what I need to add to it, remove from it, what I need to adjust. But my plan was to slide though. I want to see how it's gonna look slide in the car. Challenger right here. That's some aftermarket pipes. You already know. These don't come quads. Are they really? Oh no, they always there. Policeman. want to race? You want to race? Hell no, he don't want to race. But he was wet though. He tried to shoot around me. That boy says, cut the check. I need my money now. I don't know if y'all remember those commercials back then. They's gonna show my age. It's my money and I need it now. I was annoyed with that dumbass commercial. It just come on a lot. It's my money and I need it now. It's my money and I need it now. Alright, let me get up out of here. I got me hemmed up in traffic. Yeah, man, so I bought the camera to up the production. Hope y'all appreciate it. I hope y'all appreciate it. Yellow tag, y'all know what yellow tag mean. It might be DT. Maybe so, maybe not. She don't look like it though. Damn, I really wanted to slide the car, but by the sound of it, it was still gonna be too close too. You know what I'm saying? You know I'm loud, so as soon as I would have woke it up, that boy would have been like, "Yep, let me look for that boy. Who the hell making noise like that?" And they gonna see me come out with the camera. They be like, "This motherfucker crazy. This motherfucker crazy for us." I might give y'all a little treat. See if let me see if I got enough distance between the cars to do it. Too close to me. I knew Buddy wanted to race. I don't know what's up with him. It's the camera though. That shit make me want to be like, hey, let me get on that. Let me get on that camera. Let me get on that. Come on, Mr. Beamer. You play too much. Chick-fil-A for the peoples. Hope y'all like the video. Y'all let me know what the quality looking like, what I should have did, what I shouldn't do. Oh man, y'all let me know. I'm finna play with that edit on that 360 camera. I'm gonna go in here and Chick-fil-A, give me something to eat. And shit, y'all fuck with me. I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Your boy, mi gente, your boy AP, I'm out.